The 7A Women's State Golf Tournament took place at the Fayetteville Country Club on September 27th. 10 teams from all around Arkansas came to battle for the championship trophy, which ultimately went to Fayetteville High School for the 7th straight year. The Lady Bulldogs showed up in full swing with 3 players who earned All-State honors. Shelby Daniels, Anna Grace Levy, and Olivia Levy will all represent Fayetteville during the 7A All-State Golf Tournament. Olivia Levy, tied for the lead after the first round, was beat out by Conway's Summer Rochelle. During the last round, Rochelle shot a 67 and Levy shot an 80.
Today I didn't play as well as I wanted to play, but yesterday I had a solid round, so that put our team in a good place, and my teammates played really well today.
Even though Levy didn't win the individual championship, she has led the Fayetteville Bulldogs to the state title for her entire 4-year high school career. She believes that her sister, Anna Grace Levy, will lead the team in future tournaments, carrying on the Levy family tradition of excellence in golf. Emma Levy, Olivia's older sister, is currently playing golf for the Arkansas Lady Razorbacks. For Olivia, this family tradition brings equal parts pressure and satisfaction.
It's awesome. People think it's a lot of pressure. I mean, there is pressure involved to play well, but we work hard.
After a great high school career, Olivia will look into golf at the college level. Olivia has yet to commit to a school, but says her options are Oklahoma, Ole Miss, Nebraska, and Arkansas. For even more high school coverage, log on to thehighschoolshow.com.